Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain how to schedule Zeely Ads. So to get started with that, Zeely is built for simplicity. So scheduling ads is part of its easy step-by-step setup. So when you create an ad in Zeely, you will go through the usual processing like selecting visual, writing headlines, adding a call to action, and setting your budget. So towards the end of the process, you will be asked to choose the start time, which is the start date for your ads campaign. You can either choose to launch the ads immediately or pick a future start date if you want the ads to go live later. So some Zeely plan also allows you to specify an end date, so you can schedule your ads to automatically stop after a certain period, like for limited times offer or a seasonal campaign. While you won't find advanced times of day scheduling like in Facebook Ads Manager, Zeely system ensure your ad start and ends on the date you selected, so with the budgeting spread out accordingly. So the platform uses an automated optimization to manage delivery during the campaign period, so you don't have to micromanage the time. So to schedule ads in Zeely, you simply pick your desired start date and end date during the ads creation. So Zeely handles the rest, ensure your ads go live and stop as scheduled. No complex settings needed. So that's it.